What's up YouTube, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Yanieki. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Guys, before we get into this video, please go over to my business page at boss_bags by mix and my personal page at Yanieki_. Go follow them. The links will be in the description down below. If you're hearing something in the background, it is definitely the fan. I'm super hot. I don't know how the place hot, so literally hot, me a sweat type of hot. Okay guys, so in this video I'll be giving you a list of Netflix recommendations, Netflix show that I've watched before and that literally it's worth the watch, to be honest. So I'm going to give you a list. I'm not sure if I'm going to be talking much about them, but I'm definitely going to be sharing the list. Guys, I'm a lover for series show, literally in love with series show, but I watch a good movie because why not? So without further ado, let's get into this video. So my first recommendation, well, to be honest, they are not selected in order of rates as my faves to, it's not organized. I'm just going to be giving you a list of shows that I've watched. Just so that's already girl, alright. Anyways, the first one I'm going to be telling you is Inventing Anna. This is basically about a girl. I think she's probably a young adult. Yeah, she's a young adult. Yeah. Who basically came to New York City, the big city as you guys may know. And she has big dreams, big this, big that, but the girl not have it in her pocket, but she make it work. This girl go on be vacations and all of that. This show is also a true movie. True story. I actually love watching true stories because why not? Alright, so the next show that I will tell you guys about is Pieces of Her. This is about a girl who she's basically finding out that her mother has a past that she has never talked about. And so said, so done. Her past was catching up to the present days, getting her involved in the middle of, all of the drama where her mother usually go through. She did go through it, right? The next show is Bridgette. Bridgette has 2 seasons, and to be honest, the 2 seasons are actually way worth it. Like, if you haven't watched this show, guys, you need to go and watch these shows. So, should I talk about Bridgette? Bridgette is basically about families in royalty. Next one is All of Us Are Dead. This is literally a zombie show based in a high school with a virus outbreak which caused a lot of be something like close to the end time type of shit. Yeah. Next one is Stranger Things. If you watch a previous vlog that I was vlogging, I was binge watching Stranger Things. I went on the train late for Stranger Things, but it was totally worth the wait. Literally totally worth the wait. It's about a group of kids who met a girl who had supernatural powers, and yeah, war and all of them something there, and rescues. Y'all need to go and watch it. I don't want to give away majority of the details in the show because I want you guys to watch it if you haven't. If you have watched these shows, please to leave some comments about any of the shows that you know about. Tell me which one you like. You can even rate it. Just ensure to comment on anyone that you would rather to comment on. The next one is Raising Dion. This is about a little boy. He's so smart. Like, I really like Dion. He had supernatural powers as well, based on the fact that he got it from his dad. His mom ended up finding out, and a few other persons, and but war Dion is always saving the day. It's really worth the watch. I also went on the train late for raising Dion, and it was way worth the watch. The next one is the Adams Project. The Adam Project. Come on, so come up on this. So the Adams Project is basically about a guy who names Adam, a boy guy, whichever, because it's a little Adam, big Adam, but they are both the same, but from different, what would you say, from different time zones, who actually met up to save another time zone and all of that, to find out some information worth the watch. So that I'm going to tell you guys to watch is The Woman in the House Across the Street from the Girl in the Window. Guys, like when I started watching this, I was like, alright, it's a nice show, it worth the watch. And then the twist at the end, I wasn't expecting it. I love a show with good twists, like love it. Like, let me not expect it. I really do not like when shows are so predictable, but you know, this one was never that. The next one that I'll be telling you about is Stay Close. I know I've watched this, but I have to like go back on my Netflix to like, you know, be sure of which one I'm telling you guys about, which is this one. I'm not even going to take it too fast, but yeah, Stay Close is about a lady. Her name is Megan Pierce, who is troubled by her visitors from her past. A lot of things happen, but situations eventually worked out in the end. The next one is The Inbetween. It's about a young couple who fell in love. Something tragic happened. I'm trying to explain that The Inbetween is basically this young couple, which I told you guys before, who fell in love. Tragic things happened. I'm gonna need to say that back over, but like her boyfriend died. Sorry, spoiler alert, her boyfriend died, and he could communicate with the living world, which made it, you know, he wasn't at peace. So this was why this was happening, and after everything, he eventually went over onto the side of death where he's supposed to be. But yeah, worth the watch. Next one is Lock and Key. Literally binge watched this series and it was so worth it. Like, why haven't you watched Lock and Key as yet? It's about a family who is, the kids discovered some set of keys that led to a lot of drama, a lot of persons wanting to get to this key, but you know, them do what them have to do. Next one we have is Clickbait. As said in the title of this show, it's basically about this internet. It's about the internet, cyber, and all of them. Something there, catfish, everything. Definitely the show to watch. It was worth the watch. Next one that I'm going to be talking about is the Sweet Magnolias. This is about 3 beautiful ladies who are so kind, who grew up in a community called Serenity with a lot of lovely persons. It has love, it has friendship, it's about family, it's about unity. The show is really worth it, and I'd say it's a family show, but ensure that you watch it with your parents. So if anything and parts are there that you're not supposed to be watching, they'd tell you not to look. But yeah, next one is the 100s. The 100s is literally worth the watch, guys. It's about 100 kids who was sent down on earth to actually know if it was they were sent down on earth to know if it was likely that you could live on there. A lot of stuff happened in the 100 based on some, like, I don't even know what to say, but you know, 100 is definitely worth the watch. Next one is 365 Days. this movie has two parts, and literally I'm very upset about the ending up to this very moment that I'm sitting here, but it's really worth the watch. It's like 50 Shades of Grey, but really nastier, to be honest. So definitely recommend if you're into shows like that. Yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to share it with a friend, a family member, anybody, everybody. Just ensure that you share this video. If you want a part 2 to this video, comment down below and I'll see what can happen, because I really like watching shows. If you have any recommendations that you can give me or any of my subscribers or viewers, please to do so in the comment section, guys. After this video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye.